Hi everybody, it's me Ash and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and want to see more crafty related videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and choose your preference on how you'd like YouTube to notify you of my videos. So today I'm back because we got Kiesha's October card kit, and as per usual I will open it up in front of you. I did take a little sneak peek and I saw some burlap in there, but if you don't know what I'm talking about, Kiesha's Creation here on YouTube does these card kits, and it's always a mystery kit. So you can get like the basic kit, which is just the plain card and the baggie, or you can get the full kit, which is what I get. And you can do it either month by month or every 3 months. I do the every 3 months. Some people do the month to month. I know that for the basic, I think it's $4 and something, and then for the full it's $8 and something per month, unless you do the 3-month one. So I signed up for the 3-month one because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, and I ended up loving it. This one was August's kit, and then this one was September's kit. I do have process videos out on them and their opening, so you can see everything that came in. You don't have to use everything that comes in the kit, and you can also add to, so it's really up to you. And then she has a group that you post them in every month, and you get to see everybody who, on Facebook, you get to see everybody's, and everybody's is always so different but so pretty. So this one's October's, and she said that there wasn't really a theme for October because she knows that some people don't celebrate Halloween, but it is still a fallish color one as I'm looking at it. And I do know that for December, she said she was for sure going to do a Christmas theme one, but I'm not sure about November's. So this is the kit, and nobody knows like what comes in it. She doesn't tell you beforehand. Sorry, up close and personal. Nobody knows the thing. We're not allowed to post in the group until the 20th because usually she has them all sent out to everybody by then. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this open. I'm trying to make sure that I don't snip something that I shouldn't. So the first thing that I pull out here is some crepe paper and a yellow. There's a light yellow and a dark yellow, kind of like an orangey yellow. We have a really pretty, I'm trying to grasp it, like sunflower little one, which is really cute, which I love sunflowers. So does my niece. We have some green leaf ribbon. We have this vintagey trim and some more vintagey, like doily, it looks like it possibly could have been, or like a what is a table mat, table placement thing. Yeah. And then we have some burlap. I love burlap. I love working with burlap. And then last but not least, we have our, oh wait, hold on, I lied. There's another little thing in here that I almost lost. It's a little paper bow, little tiny one, super tiny. And then last but not least, we have our envelope, and it looks like there's some few things in here as well. So first and foremost, she always sends a little note saying thank you for joining our card kit for October. Have fun creating, Kiesha. She always sends a little note to everybody. We have some brown cardstock. I already have an idea as to what I want to do with this. I'm just trying to make sure there's nothing else in the bag. She always has the card facing down, so like you only see this part when you pull it out. But this one is really cute. It has these beautiful flowers on the front. So I'm excited to see what I can do. And as you can see, the theme kind of sticks to the colors that are on the card. So she tries to match everything up as possible. Everybody that gets the card kit gets the same exact card, gets the same exact stuff that in their goodie bags. you know, if you get the full kit. The basic kit, you just get the card and the bag, but everybody gets the same card. So that is this. Stay tuned for the process video. I know that last month I kind of got it out a little late, but that was because of everything going on with my healing process and stuff like that. So plus I've been also super busy, so I haven't really sat down to craft that much. But we're getting back in gear. We're shaking our leg and getting back in gear. Christmas is coming up, so I will be having probably some shares of some ornaments that I've done, and I plan on making ornaments this year for my Christmas tree. I normally don't put up a Christmas tree. I know, I'm terrible, I'm worse. But Christmas is usually my least favorite holiday. And my Christmas tree that I do put up is just a little tiny one that I keep on my kitchen table. That's about as far as it goes with Christmas tree. But my niece has convinced me that I need to buy a bigger one and that we got to decorate for Christmas. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't know what the theme of my Christmas tree is gonna be. I normally have a theme. So I guess we'll see. We'll see what kind of ornaments I can come up with, right, you guys? So that's probably going to be happening close to the end of November, because I don't put up my tree until like the second week of December. I know, go ahead, yell at me, I'm terrible. I'm a Scrooge. It's okay. So yeah, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. Kiesha's info, her YouTube channel will be in my description box below. So if you're interested in learning more about her card kits and how they work, and how she sends them, or if you're just interested in joining, you can just go ahead and shoot her a comment on one of her videos, and she will, well, I think she even has her email in her all of her description boxes. So even just shoot her an email and said, hey, I'm interested in the card kit, can you tell me what all to do, and so forth. So yeah, that is it, you guys. I will see you guys later, and I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. And I don't think there's anything else I got to tell y'all. Alright, y'all. Bye.